I'm very happy to introduce you to Cynthia and Wayne Petermann from South Carolina. They are enjoying a private tour of Sicily, but first of all, this is a trip back to the homeland of your ancestors. Yes. And we started our ancestry search, and we incredibly found we have a connection. So yes. we are relatives. Yes. Today we went to San Cipirello, Cindy's originary homeland, and I want to ask you, what's your feeling now?
It's hard to talk without the emotions just taking over. I never thought that I would find family still here, get back to see this beautiful place and these beautiful people. And it's just overwhelming, the emotions that I feel. I have goosebumps all over me as I'm talking here even. It was the most perfect day, and Rosella and Gianca made it even more special with everything that they do.
Thank you so much. So this is the end of the beautiful day.
Yes.
Then we will edit the video. So for those who are watching now, the best has to come. Wayne, would you like to say your feeling?
Everybody here is beautiful. Rosella and Gianca, if anybody ever wants to come to Sicily, you hire them. They are beautiful people. They treat you like family.
Even when you are family.
Oh, it's beautiful here. Come to Sicily. Look for Gianca and Rosella.
Thank you so much. But do you feel a little bit Sicilian?
Yes, I do. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Maybe you miss something. Where is your head? Where is your head? So.
Hold on. I gotta put.
Put your coppola on!
Now it's better.
Now you are in Sicilia!
No!
The perfect Sicilian!
Ciao!
It needs the coppola.
We spent a beautiful day with them discovering San Cipirello. San Cipirello is a small town in the province of Palermo, and about 5,000 people live here.
So the probability that we had a connection was around zero. We found a connection while investigating our ancestry.
We spent a beautiful day with their cousins, and so we thank you for this emotion.
And what else? If you have a Sicilian origin and if you want to investigate your potential ancestry, we look forward to help you, and maybe to put together a private tour and enjoy the whole island as you deserve.
Just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and come to Sicily, travel to Sicily.
Don't wait.
And now enjoy the video.
And now all together we have to say
love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Ciao! Ciao!